How to stay consistent even when you feel lazy and unmotivated. You're not lazy, you're inconsistent. Be honest. You already know what you need to do. You've made plans, you've watched videos. But when it's time to actually work, you say, I'll start tomorrow, and that tomorrow never comes. So today, I'm going to show you how to stay consistent, even when you don't feel like doing anything. Part 1. The truth about motivation. First, understand this. Motivation is a lie. Sometimes you feel high energy. Sometimes you feel nothing at all. If you depend on motivation, you'll never stay consistent. Success comes to people who show up every day, whether they feel like it or not. Winners aren't more motivated, they're just more disciplined. Part 2. Don't wait to feel ready. What's the biggest mistake? You wait for the perfect mood. You think, I'll start when I feel motivated. But here's the truth. You will never feel fully ready. Action comes first. Motivation comes after. You start working, then motivation shows up. So next time you don't feel like it, start anyway. Just start. Part 3. Make starting easy. What's the hardest part? Not the work, starting. So trick your brain. Don't say, I'll work for 2 hours. Say, I'll just do 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. No pressure. Once you start, you naturally keep going. That's the trick. Small steps to momentum to consistency. Part 4. Remove distractions. Here's the truth. You're not lazy, you're distracted. Your phone, Instagram, Reels, they're stealing your energy. If you want to be consistent, remove distractions. Keep your phone away. Clean your workspace. Fix your time. When your environment is right, discipline follows naturally. Part 5. Change your identity. Understand this powerful idea. Don't just build habits. Change your identity. Don't say, I'll try to study daily. Say, I'm the kind of person who studies daily. Don't say, I'll work out. Say, I'm the kind of person who never skips workouts. When your identity changes, your actions follow automatically. In the end, there's only one choice: excuses or action. You won't feel motivated every day, but you will have to make a decision every day. Do you want to grow or give up? When you show up daily, even in small ways, you become stronger, more disciplined, unstoppable. So don't wait. Start. Start small, but don't stop. If this helped you, subscribe and comment, I will stay consistent. This time, you're not stopping.